eh.
Especially Tots Carlos sila Isa Molde.
Yeah.
Parang tuloy-tuloy pa rin. So I think they just need to strengthen their walls. Wow! Speaking of strength, Liza Veray with that strong down-the-line hit.
Yeah, strength and quickness. Even, I was looking at the reaction of Tots Carlos. She went up for him. And then after, like, when Veray got the point, she was like, how did that go through me?
Lightning speed.
Yeah.
Ooh, Tots Carlos, but the libero was there. Ooh, block by Layo.
Carlos.
And Carlos.
1-0. From Motolite.
Isa Molde serving to Oliveros. Soft touch. But Estaniero was there. Quick hit by Layog. Ito naman si Layog
It's a
again.
ball touch.
Making
Called on Chef's
noise
classes.
for our Motolite team.
That's a good matchup, Layog Oliveros. I mean, to look out for here, at least in the second set and the third set.
Ooh, they go to the Verais. And they go to Flora for that play. Cuevas again to Oliveros for that soft touch, but Flora was there. Ooh, again!
Layog with a quick pull.
Layog back-to-back points.
Good matchup, no? But when you know that there's one blocker, you'll really ask for it. Oh! Wow!
Liza Veray was asking for that.
3.
You know, these Veray twins can only get better.
They're really preparing for the upcoming NCAA season.
Pero
punta muna tayo kay Rox for our set to report. Rox?
Positive thinking ang panglaban niya. At syempre, nag-double duty rin siya sa kanyang training, sa kanyang skills. At kwento rin ni Julia Angeles, who was actually one of the best diggers dito sa ating liga. Para naman sa kanya ay mental training to get that confidence back on court at ma-share niya ito sa kanyang mga teammates. Mga magsabi niya dyan, Denise and Noreen.
Speaking of confidence, Noreen, look at that confidence by Tots Carlos with that hit.
Chef's classes. 7 out. 14. 2.
That was it. Pero as you can see, Justin Chu, the captain of our Lady Red Spikers, has entered the court. And she makes an entrance with that point. These are one of the veteran leaders.
That's why she doesn't get to play. It's not because she doesn't want to or she's injured. It's because I don't think she gets to attend all of the training.
6.
So of course, you know, in respect to Chef's Classics.
That's true. She always, of course, delivers for our Lady Red Spikers. Whoa, speaking of deliver, whoa, again another hit by Liza Veray.
Oh, good save.
Bernadette Flora, oh. So close.
Touches.
But we applaud the effort of our Motolite team. Pero
that they put whether or not it goes in, but you see that they're diving, sacrificing their bodies for that.
and they go again to Tots Carlos, pero outside tira. 19.
Yeah, 2 straight errors from Motolite. If you're Chef's Classics, you want to take advantage of that by pounding in the next few rallies.
Pero that was a good save by Angeles. Pero soft touch there by Ramos. Pero nasalo. Bibigay kay Veray ang bola. Tolenada again to Ramos.
Good save.
And they go to Justin Chu. But Flora was there. They go to Tots Carlos. Pero
hit the net.
Hindi nakapasok over the net. What's wrong with the set? Was it really...
No, I think the set was fine. It's more of the follow-through of Tots. She wasn't able to get the proper timing to get it over the net.
Timing.
Yeah.
Tolenada again to Ramos.
Good dig.
That timing was perfect. Oh, miscommunication, but Perez still is able to put it to the other court. They go again to Ramos, but Angeles was expecting the ball. Chu, blocked by Ramos.
Chu, well read by Ramos.
Nobody home at the back of Chef's Classics. No coverage there.
And now it's Jessamay Ramos making noise for the Motolite team. So medyo step back muna sila yun. Jessa Ramos has entered.
Yeah, great anticipation there. I mean, your mark man right now is not just Veray. It should be also Justin Chu.
And speaking again of Ramos, back-to-back blocks. Seeing her warm up on her screens right now is an indication that she might go inside the court.
Yeah, but seriously, if
on the
you
play.
don't need her to play, you'd rather rest her.
100%.
Exactly.
So why take that 100% away? Yes, they go to Isa Molde. Angeles was there. Cuevas. Tolenada to Molde.
Was it a touch?
And that's the strongest that they were saying na sinabi mo kanina, Norina, kahit
blocker, but great set.
Sammy Ramos with that great serve. Cuevas ibibigay ang bola kay Niza Veray. Ooh, but outside, let's see if they can still make it. Tots Carlos scrambling for the ball, pero point will be awarded to the Chef's Classics. And
Lex, in last minute, she tried to go for it, and she was sayang. She was able to get a hand on it.
the instinct
Yeah.
of Bern Flora para sa ating Motolite team. Isa Molde. Veray was there. Ooh, miscommunication there from Oliveros and Cuevas.
Yeah, wasted opportunity there for Chef's Classics. Now, Motolite's committing more errors.
They are.
But at least you're feeling it more right now, so you have to take advantage of
Off the
that.
hand of Tolenada.
Niza Veray took advantage of that set. That's another one from Ella. Just parang back-to-back. Yung twin connection nila.
Yeah.
Ooh. Tolenada. So close. That was Bern Flora. Again, Niza Veray breaking down
off
the
the
block
block.
of Isa Molde.
Right at 10.
Back-to-back points.
Verais keep going down the line. You have to cover. There's still
That
space
was wrong.
between Isabalde and the antenna.
+1 for Molde.
Placing, timing. Justin Chu with that receive. Cuevas, ibibigay kay Veray. Ooh. They go again to Oliveros. Tolenada was there. They go to Tots Carlos, breaking down the
Carlos into
block
the block.
of Isa Veray and
Well,
Oliveros.
serving 10.
Of our Lady Red Spikers now, our Lady Red Spikers, to keep their walls firm and strong against the strong attackers.
Ayun,
The Motolite
look at that.
team, speaking of strong attackers.
By 3, but we mentioned that it was a close start in the first set. You just want to keep it close, at least here in the second set.
Keep it close until you close it yourself.
Yeah.
Cuevas, ibibigay kay Niza Veray. Expected, pero hindi na nakuha
Niza,
after
off the
that
hand of
receive
Molde.
by Molde.
Yeah. I'm actually excited to catch her or to watch a couple of games in the NCAA.
She's just gonna shine
Diba?
through all of them. Like if she's already doing so much in a professional league with veteran players with, you know, older experiences, how much more
sees the
in the
hole.
college playing field?
True.
2-11.
People are hoping.
That's true. The same goes for Catolentino. She will, you know,
Yeah,
of course,
yeah.
play her last
Two,
year
corner pocket.
for Ateneo.
14.
Lots of things. We appreciate, of course, all the team owners and the managers who continues to support the sport of volleyball.
Laura
Very
with
true.
an off-speed shot.
For Chef's Classics, you have Justin Dew in front. So you're hoping that
To
she can...
maximize.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Ella.
Niza Veray again.
Serving 15.
Oh, sorry, that was Ella Veray.
Ella. Well, we wanted to see it again.
I know. I actually wanted to like, can we see that again, please? That was great. They go to Justin Chu. Oh, that was quite a slow processing for the Motolite
That's
team.
true. What effort there by Angeles of Chef's Classic to do that pancake dig.
Babalik tayo. Chu again, blocked by Ramos and Tolenada. Again, babalik kay Chu. Finds a way, but Carlos was there. They go to Flora.
Oh,
Angeles was there. Pero pupunta sila kay Veray for that back row hit. Molde. Cuevas again to Chu with a soft touch. Oh, she's maximizing those soft touches. Back-to-back points for her captain. 15. Set 2 of game 2. Bertora.
Ball is off.
Quick hit, pero
Second
outside.
timeout. 16.
Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pag-like na ating Facebook page. Great save there by Iris Tolenada. They go again to Justin Chu, but blocked by Ramos. And their setter, Tolenada. Molde was there. Kaya nagbibigay ang bola to Bern Flora. They go back to Justin Chu for that hit, but Molde was there. Tots Carlos giving away a free ball to our Lady Red Spikers. Soft touch again by Justin Chu,
Ball is
but
out.
this time that is outside and the point will be to us.
But that's the way to do it, no? If you follow where the ball is, and if you're sure, then let it go. Some people, medyo malayo
Ball's
pa,
out.
and you're like deciding, should I get it or
17.
not? Follow
16.
the ball.
Service.
That was
Para
a-
oops!
I got you!
Service out.
Pero ito na nga,
Tied at
17. 16? No, so before the first technical
Yeah.
timeout.
which technically should favor Chef's Classics.
That's the spot.
Isa Molde.
17.
Her profile for the PVL 2019, the video.
Yes.
That was heartwarming. Na parang, it's not,
Ella.
volleyball doesn't only give confidence to the fans herself in PVL 2019, making a name for herself.
Yeah, it's more of really acceptance, you know. I mean,
Ayo.
people sometimes they want to belong, but they don't feel it. Especially if you
Up by
have
one.
like this ability to inspiration to the people, the fans.
Ooh, but that was a
20.
costly error from Bert Flora with that reception. Tingnan natin kung tuloy-tuloy na para sa ating Lady Red Spikers. Ooh, they go to, again, Isa Molde down to 9.
19.
You know,
20.
again, on this side,
But of course, Motolite, you know, we see the experience. They're quickly adjusting. Ooh, Oliveros to Chu, to Niza Beray. Again, finding a way with the blockers of Motolite to get that point.
Niza gets a ball touch.
Blockers, good things na nangyari. Like there's 16 attacks in set 1.
we're not as sharp, obviously. And again, these errors.
Because you have this, you believe that they can win this. For Cuevas with 8 excellent sets in today's game. Ooh,
Carlos with a
that's what you
cross
should
court
bring
kick.
back. Thoughts, Carlos.
20.
For our Motolite team, and the crowds are cheering. Finally, Bagyong Pablo makes an appearance.
Yeah, and the fans are the one who tweeted, sana makita here, you have your wish.
Wish granted
Carlos.
by
Rule the
Dos
block.
Carlos again.
21.
In between the
22.
blockers of our Lady Red Spikers. And I think it's good na you see Isa Molde na kahit single digit lang siya. It's not because it doesn't show how great of a player she is. It's just because the rest of her team is also playing so well.
Yeah, that's true.
Niza Beray also playing so well again for our Lady Red Spikers. Pero that hit by Bagyong Pablo.
Scores her first point
That
of
ball
the
went
match. Tying the set.
Great
22.
form.
And we're tied at 22-22. Angeles, bibigay kay Viray. Estraniero to Tolenada. To, of course, Carlos. Pero this time, ito na nga. Blocked by Viray and Oliveros. Free ball ang binigay ng ating Motolite team. Pero ito, Niza Viray.
Niza
Off
off
the
the
hands
block.
of Tots Carlos. Pagod nga siya sa lakas ng block and you really have to put your all heart out. Ooh! Speaking of
Pablo
all
down
heart
the
out,
line.
Myla Pablo down the
Tied at
line.
23.
The connection.
Yep.
Angeles. Cuevas to Oliveros. Pero nandun si Molde. Soft touch by Myla Pablo, but Cuevas was there. Angeles will set it up for Justin Chu. Tolenada to Myla Pablo. Breaking the block.
Still alive.
Angeles, free ball ang ibibigay. Tolenada.
Carlos puts it in. Motolite. Now, that's it.
Si Tots Carlos.
Tsaka that's the difference really of having a Myla Pablo in, you know, because your attention will be divided in terms of blocking.
Because now they not can only go to a Tots
Carlos
Carlos
ends
for
the
the
set
point,
for
but
Motolite.
also to Myla
25
Pablo.
to 23.
And here it is, Tots Carlos ends the second set for our Motolite team, 25-23.